In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed an Excel document within a Confluence page. By the end, you'll be able to display a live spreadsheet directly on your page so your team can view data without downloading files. Start by opening your Confluence site and signing in. From the top navigation, open the Apps menu, then choose the option to explore more apps. This takes you to the App Marketplace where you can add features to Confluence. In the search bar, type Excel. You'll see several Excel-related apps designed to render spreadsheets on pages. Pick the one your organization prefers and complete the installation. If you don't see the install option, you may need an admin to enable it, but otherwise the process is straightforward. With the app installed, head back to the space where you want to show the spreadsheet and open the specific page you'll be working on. Click Edit to enter the page editor. Inside the editor, start typing Excel into the macro or insert search so Confluence can find the integration you just added. When you see the Excel option appear, select it to insert the macro onto your page. Once the macro is placed, open its settings by choosing Edit Excel Macro. This is where you tell Confluence which file and which part of that file to display. Set the page name to the page that holds the Excel attachment you want to show. This can be the page you're editing now or another page that already stores the file. Next, choose the sheet name from the workbook so only the relevant tab is displayed for your readers. When your selections look right, click Save to apply the configuration and return to the editor. You should now see a preview area indicating where the spreadsheet will appear. If your Excel file isn't attached yet, you can add it directly from the editor. Use the Add Image, Video, or File option and upload the Excel workbook from your computer. Uploading here ensures the file is stored on the page, keeping the macros source easy to manage and accessible to teammates with page permissions. When you're finished, review the page to confirm the correct sheet is visible and the data is clear. Then publish your changes so your team can view the embedded spreadsheet right on the page. That's it. Your Excel content is now embedded and ready for collaboration.